Where did he go after you last saw him?
I have no idea.
Why do you think he left?
I haven't, in the summer, you know, it's hard for me to go. It's just not that exciting. You know?
Yeah.
Your thing folded? Oh, you put it away?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's in my pocket. It's
Nice.
that small.
That's cool.
Yeah, it's in my pocket. So
That's cool.
It's the controller.
So you bought it from a person?
Yeah, I bought it from somebody.
The same guy that I said that goes to the memorial?
Who killed him? Talk to me.
I don't know, man. I don't know.
No,
Okay.
no, I don't know him.
Huh?
I don't even know him.
Oh. What is your name? Because I never knew it. Nah, not so much, but I may try to go Monday. Maybe this Wednesday, maybe.
No weekend.
Who is he?
His name was.
What?
I
Bigger
don't know.
guy, shorter guy?
He's like my height.
Oh.
Yeah.
But they're not, and they don't, a lot of them don't even know the game really.
No.
Seems like.
All right, I think I'm good. Man, my man Rick I ran into, you guys saw that. He like just killed me. I love the guy. I used to play ball with him. He was like 60-some years old. I used to play ball with him like years ago, and I thought back then he was 60-some years old. But shout out to Rick, though. You just kind of, he killed me for time. But right now it's like, and we're going to call it one. I'm going to go back home, finish editing the video for those KDs. See how beautiful it is? Like this area right here. Look how just perfect that is. It was smoking something over there. I don't know what it was, and it definitely wasn't no weed. That's that synthetic stuff again, man. Like, almost smell like they're smoking old plastic or something like that. I don't know. Make sure you check that KD video out too, both of them, the lemons and the black ones. All right, I'm done for real. For real, peace, love, light. Follow me on IG.
All right. Let's go ahead and talk about them. The Louis V Air Force One collab, I guess. And man, first of all, Rick, bless his heart, but he just completely like killed me out there. I had this whole plan of doing it a certain way in my head, and then once I ran into him, it kind of stopped. But it was all good because I just kind of recovered and got some other footage. I mean, it's just an on foot, but I was like, yo, what are we doing? So the LV Air Force One, right? And just so you know, I do like Air Force Ones. I do wear white on white Air Force Ones. I'm just not cool with people that wear the dirty Air Force Ones and they think that's cool. I think it's just like, come on now, just go wear something else. Like wear Air Force Ones, because you can get away with wearing a white on white Air Force One more than 4 or 5 times if you clean them right. And all this stuff I'm showing right now, all these little amenities that come with the Air Force, like this Louis V package. I know some of you were saying, oh, you didn't get the orange little suitcase. You're right. They're not gonna send that to me. That thing is expensive to ship. And there's Vuitton on that. Some free socks. Look at that. And they got to stop putting the StockX stuff in the boxes. Like I keep saying that. They got to stop that. That's just another little trinket, I guess. And all this stuff doesn't mean anything to me. I'm actually not impressed by like designer fashion as a whole. Like it just doesn't impress me. And a lot of that stuff looks weird, to be honest. Like I'm pretty basic when it comes to style anyways. I usually just focus on the kicks. But this box is nice. I must confess that. It's a nice box. But it'd have been nice if they would have slid your boy that orange one, though, because that joint is hard. Like, I kind of wanted the box more than the shoe. And you guys know there's several colors of these floating around. They're supposed to come out July 19th, so I'm actually doing pretty good on the timing on this video. Little dust bags. Those are nice. I'll probably never put... I feel weird about putting a dirty shoe in a dust bag and then putting it back in the box. Especially a white on white Air Force One. It's really weird. Okay, there's a look at that again. There's the Louis Vuitton I guess that's how you say it. I don't know. Again, that designer stuff, it's almost like a scam. Like they're just making these wild clothes and charging you like 400% up. It's just weird. So when I get shoes sent from these sources, I actually really like it because this is the only designer Colo's ever going to get. Because I can't trick myself to go buy like a Gucci sweater for like $700. I just can't do it. I'll just wear Champion or something like that. But that's me. But this shoe right here, it's beautiful. I was like, yo, and I'm sure wearing it downtown, nobody was like, yo, he's got the Louis V white on whites. They probably thought I was just some dude with lilac sweatpants on trying to style some white on whites with his camera. I don't know. But I'm sure nobody noticed this on the side and was like, yo, and just while we're looking at that, I don't know if that's correct. I'll never have this sneaker, and I'm looking at the page right now on StockX. They want like $11K for it. So yeah, and another funny thing is when I actually Googled the shoe, this is what Nike came up with. Like they're offering it since you can't probably. Ooh, that's really nice. That's really nice. Let me show you what Nike's offering you guys. Here, look at this. Okay, these are the Nike Air Force One Crater Flyknit Next Nature. So if you can't get your hands on some of these $10,000 Louis V's, you can get you a pair of these. And I'm like, Nike always does stuff like this. Here's what I was talking about on StockX. I could buy a pair for $11K. And it's like the last sale is about $5,000. That's just crazy. Made in Italy, I guess. You can feel with the shoe, it's like made out of a different type of luxe leather. I'm not like a leather expert. Like MK is better with the leather, text than I am, but it feels different than a white on white. Oh, there's a white on white Air Force One. I just happen to have one. See, I wear them, but I don't wear them. Like I have a pair. I've just never worn that pair. I think I tried that pair, that one on the left on in the house, but I really just don't wear the low white on white ups. There's nothing wrong with them. It's just I got a lot of other shoes to wear. It's probably because I review so many shoes. I just don't have time to throw a white on white up on, and it's not really appropriate for me because I don't want to get it dirty like ever. So I always just wear something else. But I was like, yo, you guys got to send me these. So shout out to the gifter for sending me these through. Make sure you follow me on IG. And just looking at them overall, I mean, it looks like the same kind of mold. Like they use the same midsole, but everything else is different. They're really nice. Like I don't want to skip the fact, like these are really, really, really nice. They do feel like a higher quality sneaker. Like that Air Force One felt like trash. Like this feels on your foot. It has like a luxury type of feel. And you got to wear it to really know what I'm talking about. So they did a good job on them for what it's worth. And under the black light, yeah, they didn't survive the black light. So see, the white on white was clean. And I'm pretty sure I guess if we can call these retail, again, these drop on the 19th of this month, July 2022. They probably don't have these markings on them. And I mean, if they did, that would be super interesting. And that'd be actually a good thing because then you could be like, yo, look at this. And nobody would believe you. And these are one of these shoes, like no one really believes you have a real pair anyway kind of shoe, like the Dior ones. This is in the category of that, like all of them. And I think there's like 5 or 6 flavors of these Air Force Ones. There's a brown pair that's pretty common. I like the brown pair. I've just kind of been waiting a little bit to get a better pair. Yeah, these things are marked up. You don't want to wear these to laser tag, you know what I'm saying, or in the club like that. I would not wear these in the club where there's, I mean, not even with me not caring about all that stuff, I still wouldn't do it. It's just going to look away like, yeah, that just don't look right. But it is what it is, guys. Peace, love, and light. Make sure you follow me on IG, and I'll catch you on the next one.